Welcome to my channel, Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I am going to explain how to find some of the first 10 natural numbers using Python coding. Let's start. So let me open the folder with VS Code. And here, I will take a new file. For example, sumn.py. Let's write the question. What is the program here? Program to find sum of the first n natural numbers. For example, if I take the n value is 10, I want to find sum of the first n natural numbers. Means how to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, then plus 10. This is equal to 55. Means if you give the input 10, output should be 55. Same way, suppose if I give the n value is 100, then should make sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till what 100. This is equal to 5050. Means if you give the input n value 100, output should be 5050. So for this we have tried the Python code. Let's start coding. So first we'll take an input from keyboard, an integer value n equal to int of input of enter an integer or enter n value. Initially I will take sum 0 and then loop. For loop I am taking here for I in range of, so we have to do the sum from 1 to till n. So we have to take here n plus 1. Then sum equal to sum plus I. So we have to add all the I values to the variable sum. Then exit from the loop and we'll print the final sum here. Say right here, sum of the first n natural numbers is sum. Save it and then we'll run it. Py sum n dot py. Enter an integer. Say for example, if I enter the 10, yes, sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 55. So if I enter, say for example, 100, yes. So sum of the first 100 natural numbers is 5050. So how this code will work, let me explain step by step. So first initially, for example, if I take, let me take the small value here, n is 5. Means we can find the sum of the first 5 natural numbers. So initially sum is 0. So sum is initially 0 here and n is 5. Now range, for loop range is what here? Range value, I values are, actually here we have given what? N value is 5. So 5 plus 1 means 6. 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6 means I values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 will not be included. That we know how the range will work in Python. Next, okay, so very first time for loop. Okay, so for the for loop, I value is 1, very first time. For I is 1, then it will calculate the formula sum equal to, initially sum is how much? 0. Okay, that's why 0 plus 1, that is 1. Next, it will go back. It will go back. Then next I value is 2. Okay, so that sum equal to, see actually this sum will be updated where? In this variable. At the top you have taken, right? So that's why that value will be updated where? In this variable sum, right? Now next to sum equal to, previous sum is how much now? 1. Last updated value is 1. So 1 into, what is the I value now? That is 2. sorry, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, that is what, 3. Okay, then again it will go back. Now this time I value is 3. So sum equal to the previous sum. Okay, last updated sum value is 3, right? You can take this value here, you can update this value here at the top every time so that you can understand. Now sum equal to, so previous sum is 3 or last sum is 3 plus the current I value is 3. So 3 plus 3 equal to, that is 6. Okay, next. Again it will go back. Then now this time I value is 4. Okay, we can update this sum previous. Okay, I mean last updated value is sum is 6 here. Then next, now I value is 4, so that it will enter into the loop. Then sum equal to, okay, every time whenever it will go back, it will check the range. Okay, and then it will take the I value from the range. Then it will calculate this formula. Sum equal to previous or last sum is 6 here. 6 plus, then what is the I value here? 4. So 6 plus 4 is, this is 10 here. Next, again it will go back. Again it will go back. Now this time I value is 5. Now you can update this sum also here, that is 10 here. Then next, sum equal to, what is the last sum here? 10 plus, now I value is what here? 5, right? 5. So that this is what, total 15. Okay, right. So finally this range is exceeded and it will exit from this loop and it will print sum of the first 5 natural numbers is what? 15. Okay, so in this way we can write this code. However, we also have some other alternate coding for this. For example, mathematically there is a formula. Let me take alternate code for this. Say for example, let's take a value from keyboard. I am showing the second method. Int of input, enter an integer. Okay, and then there is a formula, sum equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Floor division operator we have to take here. Then you can print here sum. Okay, so it is an alternate way. We can do like this also. Fine. Let me clear the screen and we'll run this. Suppose if I enter 10, yes, see here. If I enter 100, yes. Okay, right. So like that, we can find the sum of the first 10 natural numbers using Python coding. For more such videos and for Python course and Python full stack course, you can subscribe the channel, click on the bell button to receive the notifications. And if you like this video, click on the like button and share this video to your friends as well. So in the next video, I'm going to come with another program. Hare Krishna.